Driving safety in big cities. It can take years to become an expert city driver. If you feel intimidated by the numerous lanes, backed up roads, and furious cars, try not to be too hard on yourself. With practice, you'll become a better driver. These city driving safety recommendations have your back in the interim. Driving in the city, what to expect. Driving in urban areas and rural ones are very different. On city streets, you might encounter congested roads, numerous bicyclists and pedestrians, sudden road closures, a one-way street, unexpected drivers. 7 pointers for city driving safety. As you can see, city driving presents several difficulties. Here are 7 actions you may do to ensure your safety when you travel. 1. Reconsider driving in rush hour. If at all possible, avoid driving during rush hour. The busiest times on the roads are from 4 to 6 p.m. and from 7 to 9 a.m. You are more likely to get involved in an accident if there are more cars on the road. If you must travel, though, observe the do's and don'ts of driving in traffic. 2. Ignore all sidelines. Distracted driving is strictly prohibited since city driving requires your whole attention. You must keep your eyes on the road at all times, whether it's due to people crossing the street illegally, vehicles backing out of parking spaces, or turn-only lanes. Put your phone away, mute the sound if necessary, and limit passenger talk. According to estimates, 3,142 people died as a result of distracted driving in just 2020. 3. Be wary of pedestrians. The most vulnerable users of the road are pedestrians. The highest number in 40 years of pedestrian deaths occurred in 2021 with 7,485 fatalities. Give way to pedestrians at marked intersections to protect them. Allow pedestrians to cross safely even if they are jaywalking. Pay close attention because kids in particular have a tendency to cross the road wherever without looking, so be careful. 4. Constantly check your blind spots. Your blind spots could prevent you from seeing other cars and cyclists at intersections. Given the increased traffic in large cities, this is particularly risky. Make sure no drivers or bikers are hiding where you can't see them before making a turn. 5. Avoid following cars too closely. City driving necessitates frequent braking. Due to a traffic signal turning red, or perhaps because a pedestrian is crossing the street. How can you use the brakes without hitting the car in front of you? Simple, by keeping a safe following distance of 3 seconds. 6. Use navigation apps. When you're unfamiliar with the roads, apps like Google Maps and Waze can help you stay on the proper path. So that you don't have to hastily read street names, they direct you as to when and where to turn. You can then pay attention to how the traffic is moving. 7. Remain calm. Road anger won't speed up traffic. Contrarily, aggressive driving was to blame for more than half of all accidents in 2020, which contributed to an increase in traffic. Take a deep breath and accept that you'll arrive at your destination late while you are caught in traffic. Always put your safety first. The next time, allow more time for your drive because it is almost certain to be congested. How to become a better driver quickly. The majority of people gain a lot of experience and have a few close calls with hazardous situations before they can become good drivers. But a driver education course offers a shortcut. You'll discover how to handle aggressive drivers, drive in bad weather, and a whole lot more.